Notion Enterprise Workspace Pricing explained what you get for your money. Notion Enterprise is designed to help teams organize, create, and manage knowledge while boosting productivity with AI-assisted writing. Most people think Notion is just a note-taking app, but the AI features transform it into a full workspace for content creation, project planning, and collaboration. Enterprise pricing is custom, based on team size and feature requirements. Benefits include unlimited AI usage, advanced admin controls, custom templates, workflow automation, and enhanced security. This is ideal for large teams needing structured collaboration and efficient content generation. The surprising truth is that Notion AI can draft documents, summarize meeting notes, generate action plans, and even suggest workflow improvements. For example, a product team can use AI to create product specs, plan sprints, and track tasks all in one place, cutting down hours of manual work. Key features include AI content generation, project management templates, advanced permissions, workflow automation, and integrations with popular tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Jira. Enterprise plans also provide dedicated support, training, and security compliance features. In conclusion, Notion Enterprise Pricing reflects a platform built for organizations that want to streamline operations and boost productivity through AI. If your goal is to unify work, create content efficiently, and maintain team collaboration at scale, Notion Enterprise is more than a workspace, it's a productivity powerhouse.